DJI's Mini series has long represented a clear mission to offer creators an exceptional aerial photography and flight experience in a device that remains compact, lightweight, and easy for anyone to fly. From the beginning, this lineup was crafted to remove the intimidation factor often associated with drones while still delivering image quality capable of inspiring beginners, hobbyists, and even seasoned travelers. That philosophy resonated strongly with a wide audience, especially after the release of the DJI Mini 4K, an affordable, accessible drone that made high-quality 4K recording available without requiring pilots to invest in heavyweight, high-cost professional systems. But as drone technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, curiosity has naturally shifted toward the future. And recently, one rumored model has become the center of attention across forums, leaked sites, and YouTube discussions: the DJI Mini 5K. Rather than being seen as a minor update or a routine refresh, the DJI Mini 5K is emerging in conversations as a thoughtful, well-balanced evolution of the Mini series. It appears to be positioned between the entry-level Mini 4K and DJI's more advanced Mini Pro lineup, potentially offering an appealing middle ground for creators. The concept behind the Mini 5K seems to focus on maintaining the simplicity and affordability of the Mini family while introducing meaningful upgrades in imaging and performance. If these leaks hold true, this drone could become the ideal next step for creators who want a more polished, professional look in their content without making the financial jump to DJI's highest-end models. At the heart of the excitement is the rumored sensor upgrade, arguably the most significant piece of information surrounding the Mini 5K. The previous Mini 4K relied on a small 0.3-inch sensor, which performed well in daylight but showed limitations in dynamic range and low-light scenarios. Now, several credible reports suggest that DJI may equip the Mini 5K with a much larger sensor, potentially in the 1-inch category. Such an upgrade would mark a dramatic leap in image quality. A larger sensor can gather more light, resulting in cleaner, more detailed visuals, especially in dim environments. It also enhances dynamic range, helping the drone maintain color and detail when filming bright skies, sunsets, or high-contrast landscapes. For creators capturing travel films, nature scenes, cityscapes, or cinematic aerial clips, this difference would be immediately noticeable. It could shift the Mini 5K from being good for its size to genuinely impressive on a broader professional scale. Some leaks even mention the possibility of 48MP or 50MP still photos, aligning the Mini 5K's photographic capability with DJI's higher-tier drones. If true, this would provide photographers with greater flexibility for cropping or reframing images while preserving high detail, an invaluable advantage for those who plan to use drone stills for prints, commercial projects, or social media. Such capabilities would allow the Mini 5K to serve as a powerful hybrid tool, elevating it beyond a simple consumer drone and turning it into a serious imaging platform for creators who need both strong video and high-resolution photos. Video performance is another area where the rumored Mini 5K could deliver major improvements. While the Mini 4K topped out at 4K 30fps, suitable for casual shooters but limited for advanced creators, reports now suggest that the Mini 5K may offer 4K 60fps as a standard option. This upgrade alone would bring smoother motion, giving creators more freedom in post-production and offering a more cinematic presentation. There's also speculation about enhanced HDR recording modes and potentially even slow-motion options at higher frame rates. Such upgrades would make the Mini 5K far more versatile, enabling filmmakers to capture fluid action sequences, dynamic landscapes, and atmospheric B-roll with enhanced color and detail. If these video capabilities materialize, the Mini 5K could position itself in a new category, performing closer to drones that traditionally required larger frames and heavier builds. In other words, DJI may once again shrink high-quality performance into a palm-sized aircraft suitable for everyday flights. One of the most compelling rumor threads focuses on obstacle sensing, an area where DJI has made significant strides in its premium models. Historically, the Mini series has sacrificed advanced obstacle detection in order to keep weight under the crucial 250-gram threshold, a classification that exempts drones in many regions from stricter aviation regulations. However, newly surfaced claims suggest that the Mini 5K might introduce an impressive level of omnidirectional sensing, possibly including forward, rear, side, and downward sensors. Some insiders have even hinted at the inclusion of a lightweight LiDAR-style module to enhance hovering precision and collision avoidance. If DJI manages to implement full-sphere safety detection while still keeping the drone under 250 grams, it would represent an extraordinary engineering achievement. Such an upgrade would completely transform the flying experience. For beginners, this would mean a drastically reduced risk of accidents, making the learning curve gentler than ever. For more advanced pilots, the drone would become a far more capable tool for navigating complex environments, forest trails, cliffs, architectural structures, and tight indoor or urban spaces. Having strong obstacle sensing in a device this small could give creators the confidence to attempt shots that would normally require either more expensive drones or extensive piloting expertise. Battery life and flight endurance are also central topics of discussion around the Mini 5K. Leaks suggest that DJI may offer two battery types, a standard battery to keep the drone under 250 grams and an A+ battery that slightly increases weight but offers extended flight time. This dual battery system gives users the freedom to choose what matters most, regulatory convenience or maximum airtime. Travelers may gravitate toward the lighter configuration, while professional pilots might prioritize longer flights for commercial work, mapping, or cinematic shoots. Beyond battery capacity, improvements in flight efficiency are also expected. Rumors point to refinements in motor tuning, flight control algorithms, and software optimization. These changes could allow the Mini 5K to handle wind more effectively, fly farther on a single charge, and remain stable at higher altitudes. Combined with potential advancements in DJI's battery chemistry, the end result could be noticeably longer and more dependable flight sessions. Transmission technology is another area where DJI continually refines performance, and the Mini 5K appears likely to benefit from an upgraded OcuSync system. Better video transmission ensures more than just longer range, it provides a smoother, low-latency feed to the pilot, even in areas with heavy wireless interference such as cities or event grounds. Leaks suggest the Mini 5K will deliver clearer live previews with fewer signal drops, enabling creators to frame shots more accurately and react more confidently during complex maneuvers. All these rumored improvements naturally lead to the question of price. Part of the Mini 4K's appeal was its nearly unbeatable balance between affordability and capability. The Mini 5K, however, is expected to occupy a slightly higher tier. It won't likely reach the premium pricing of DJI's Mavic 3 Pro or Air 3, but it may cost considerably more than the Mini 4K. DJI may be aiming to position this model as a bridge between entry-level drones and high-end aerial filmmaking tools, perfect for creators who want to taste of premium quality without the full investment of professional systems. From a business perspective, this strategy makes sense. The content creation market is booming, and many individuals are seeking tools that are powerful, portable, and easy to operate. For travelers, bloggers, YouTubers, and aspiring filmmakers, the Mini 5K could be the perfect fit, a drone that offers serious creative potential without requiring a license in many regions or a large case in their backpack. Until DJI confirms the final specs, nothing is guaranteed. But the growing excitement surrounding the Mini 5K suggests that this drone could be the next big leap in the world of compact aerial imaging, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a device so small it can fit into the palm of your hand.